Hello everyone, I'm King Muhammad Kuring and welcome to my video on best practices and planning for backups information management. Why backup planning matters? Backup planning helps ensure that information is always protected and recoverable. Without a proper plan, you risk losing important data permanently. The 3-2-1 backup rule. One of the best practices is the 3-2-1 rule. Keep 3 copies of your data, then store them on 2 different types of media, and keep 1 copy offsite. Automatic backups. Automatic backups are important because people forget to back up manually. Scheduling helps keep everything consistent and up to date. Test your backups. A backup is useless if it doesn't work. Testing ensures you can actually restore your files when needed. Use encryption. Encrypt sensitive data to protect it from unauthorized access. This keeps your backup safe even if someone steals your device. Document procedure. Write down your backup process so you can follow them step by step. This is also helps others understand your system. Review regularly. Technology changes fast, so review and update your backup plan regularly to keep it effective. In other words, good backup planning prevent data loss and ensure business continuity. And that's all. Thank you for watching my video.